Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to connect your Grigora Mail to your existing email apps like Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail. This allows you to manage your Grigora emails directly from the app you already use every day. In this video, we will demonstrate the process using Gmail. First, log into your Grigora account and open the Emails page. Find the email you want to connect and click on the three dots next to it. Select Connect Apps. Choose Gmail from the list. This will show you the specific configuration details you need. Keep this tab open. Now, open your Gmail account in a new tab. Click the Settings icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Go to the Accounts and Import tab. Look for the section Check Mail from Other Accounts and click on Add a Mail Account. A pop-up window will appear. Enter your Grigora email address and click Next. Select Import Emails from My Other Account, POP3, and click Next. Now, fill in the details provided in your Grigora dashboard. Username, your full Grigora email address. Password, your Grigora email password. POP server, enter mx.grigora.co. Port, set this to 995. Make sure to check these two boxes. Leave a copy of retrieved message on the server, and always use a secure connection, SSL, when retrieving mail. Click Add Account. Gmail will ask if you also want to be able to send mail as this address. Note, Gmail Web only supports POP3 for receiving. To send emails, you'll need to use a different email client or configure SMTP separately. And that's it! Your Grigora Mail is now fully tied to Gmail. Similarly, if you use Outlook, Apple Mail, or other clients, you can find the specific step-by-step instructions for those apps by clicking on their names in the Connect Apps menu on your Grigora dashboard. See you in the next one!